A quick trip to Lowe's and we should have everything that we need to fix it. I was hoping these grommets would work as a good seal, but they ended up being too large. Even cutting them in half, they were too large. I'll have to come up with something else. This is what I ended up using. These are rubber seals that go on the pushrod tubes of vintage Volkswagens. It's a perfect fit. Now we have a nice tight seal. Now I'll move on to the overflow drain.
She took off somewhere.
Who did? Lacey?
Not sure how long the overflow drain will end up being, so I'll make a built-in support using a T. This part will be a little tricky. I'll have to cut the inlet tube short enough so the inlet in the lid will slide down on it. I made a couple of standoffs to help secure everything in place once the lid is put on. I used 1.5" PVC for the standoffs. It was at this very moment that I realized that I screwed up and put the lid on backwards. The filter is working beautifully. We also finished the new walkway into the yard. Still have a lot to do, but it's coming along. At least the fish seem to be happy with their new home. We've relocated the filter to its new home. Not sure it'll stay here or not, but for now, this is where it's going. All of the planting is finished. The plants have had a very rough time the past couple of weeks, but they should bounce back before the end of fall. One last thing that's left to do is to clean the sidewalk and clean up our mess. The sidewalk has been pressure washed and our mess has been cleaned up. This is officially the end of the pond project, for now at least. I'll do a follow-up next spring, once everything is blooming again. We're very happy with the way things have turned out. This area definitely needed to be expanded and now it looks great. We can't wait to see how things look at the end of next spring. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch part 1 if you haven't seen it yet. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.